Hey y'all, I have an exciting announcement to share with y'all today. I am going to be coming out with a big ol' series of Sentro instructional videos. Sentro School, perhaps I'll call it. Not really sure about that title yet, but basically I'm just going to be releasing a bunch more in-depth videos on how to use the Sentro. I'll be going over anything and everything I can think of, so things like important tools, how to cast on and cast off, different ways of casting on, increasing and decreasing, different ways to bind off, everything. I've been wanting to do a series like this for a while because I think it would be helpful to have all of the Sentro information just in one space for y'all to access whenever you need it. It would give me an opportunity to answer any of y'all's questions. I'll be able to go more in depth on some of those complicated techniques as well. And I'm planning on coming out with some video tutorials and patterns for the Sentro very soon, so it would also just help me a lot to be able to point y'all to just one spot where y'all can find all of the information that you need. So, you know, if a tutorial requires a slightly more advanced technique, then I don't have to spend as much time in that tutorial going over how to do that technique. I can just redirect y'all to this series where hopefully all of your questions would be answered. I'll still be making my regular vlog style videos as well, so you know, some weeks I'll come out with a vlog style video and some weeks I'll come out with a Sentro instructional video. So if you like those vlog style videos more, then don't worry, they're not going anywhere. But if you are excited about some Sentro instructional videos, then you have those to look forward to. So basically the point of this video is just to kind of let y'all know what my plans are and what's coming. But I also thought it would be nice to have a place where y'all can just put all of your Sentro related questions so that they're easier for me to access and keep track of. So if you have any Sentro related questions, please put them in the comments down below, and then I will do my very best to make a dedicated video for that question in this series. So that's all I have for this video. I have already started making some of the instructional videos, so you can expect to see them very soon. Don't forget to put your questions in the comments, and if you are excited about this series, then consider leaving a like, and if you enjoy Sentro content, then consider subscribing. I am coming out with a lot of Sentro content, so I hope that y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.